When you were growing up, did you ever dream of being average? I doubt it, but at some point you settled for it. Hi, my name is Nikhar Arora and I'm the CEO of Mentoria. Trust me, I understand your confusion, your dilemma, waking up every morning not looking forward to your job, wondering if this is all that life is about, living from one weekend to the next, hoping that someday you might be in a career you actually enjoy and are passionate about, contemplating, is it even possible to be passionate about your work? Or is that just a dream that movies and books feed us with? I've lived that journey. From wanting to be a pilot, to studying for engineering, to getting into filmmaking and advertising, to ending up in a spot where I was confused and unhappy. I asked myself, is this how you want to spend the rest of your career? Going through the routine of an average life and living from one weekend to the next? Or would you rather switch to a role that makes you excited to get out of bed and get to work every single day? If you're okay with remaining average, stop watching this video right here. But if you genuinely want to make the switch from average to awesome, allow us to guide you through the process. We're Mentoria, a holistic career discovery platform that has helped thousands of working professionals discover which role they're truly meant for and how to make that switch. We also handhold you with all the information and advice you will ever need to make that switch without really starting from scratch. And here's how we do it. 1, we've built India's most reliable career assessment that will measure your interest areas, personality traits, and abilities. The assessment has been created by some of the top psychologists and will help you discover yourself. 2, we'll connect you to a career consultant from our network of senior HR professionals and psychologists who will spend 2 hours with you to help you understand your career report, gain an understanding of your current background, and enable you with the most practical path to make a career switch or switch into a role within your existing industry. Don't worry, you won't be advised to start from scratch. We know you need to make money, you have responsibilities and commitments. The consultant will recommend the fastest and most time and money efficient path from where you are to where you want to be. 3, after the consulting session, we'll start giving you the information on the career or path you'd like to switch into, how to develop the right skills for it and the knowledge for it, what your growth trajectory would look like, and how your pay scales would grow over a period of time. In fact, in step number 4, we'll also connect you with actual professionals or mentors in your chosen career through webinars and give you a deep and realistic understanding of the world that you're going to be stepping into. We'll handhold you from now until you step into your chosen career and tell us that you're passionate about the work you're doing. The entire package will cost you $4,500, probably the same amount you'd spend on a weekend getaway or a few nights out with your friends and colleagues. The only difference being this one goes beyond momentary joy to give you a lifetime of happiness and benefits. Still waiting for a midlife crisis to discover your passion? Why not take control now and find out what it takes to bring out the legend in you? Partner with Mentoria to get rid of that average feeling once and for all and discover yourself and your future world.